most peaceful, rally that went on in Shagamu yesterday, the 22nd of November, the 3rd of November, rather, Thursday, where the military again is not respecting, the rule of law and the international law, where as the rally was going on in Aton, in Shagamu axis, in Sango yesterday in southwest of Nigeria, where a peaceful rally has been put together. The military again opened, weapon, they were actually, using, their might that they've done, for decades. We are no longer in the military era, and we are now in a civilian rule. And the rule says, there's right to, gathering, there's right to protest. And that was exactly what was campaigning yesterday when the Yòrùbá went out yesterday, to campaign for, their self-determination. The military were also lying that weapon was removed from their, vicinity when they were passing by. We can confirm officially that nothing of such did happen. The military, as always, use that same like the security that each time, a rally goes on, they are trying to infiltrate that rally. And the next thing you can hear is, a weapon was removed. So that is coming from Nigeria, this morning. Once again, this is Star Radio UK, your finest African and Caribbean radio station in London. We go straight to some of